In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Opera browser. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Opera. We'll be getting the official link. Click it. And here we are having the download option. Select this. And the setup file is getting downloaded. Open it. We are getting the Opera setup like this. So here we are having few options. Run when my computer starts. So I don't want that. I will just uncheck this. And here we are having options. Click it. And by this we can choose the language. We can change it if you want to. Install for basically the user. And another one is the location where Opera browser is going to get installed. So if you want to change it to some other disk or folder, you can simply click change to change it. So after that, we are having import bookmarks and data from the default browser. If you want to do that, you can check this and help Opera by sending feature usage information. I don't want these, so I will just uncheck both of these. So now we are good. I will just click on accept and install. So click on accept. So the installation process will begin. Just be patient. We will be getting the Opera browser interface. So they are asking some questions. Is this the first time installing Opera? Just fill it up, and you can choose the theme, light theme, dark theme. So dark looks amazing, and we can choose a wallpaper style. And next, like, we can keep our favorite apps like a shortcut, quick access thing. Next, and if you want to import data, you can do that. I will click on done and click on start browsing, and that's it. We'll be getting the Opera browser interface like this. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.